Mike, what are you doing?
Hey, I'm rendering a video what this video is about is a 671 Detroit Diesel engine with a oil filter, rubber gasket. It should be a paper gasket. Joe calls Napa. The guy down there doesn't know what the heck Joe's talking about. And so Joe tells him the part number and all that stuff. You'll see that in this video. So enjoy this video, like and subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll get more details out of what this is. But Joe gets kind of upset.
Well, that's an oddball looking thing.
Okay,
No, that's a normal filter gasket for Detroit.
but it's too big.
But no, you got to have the right one. That's 53 series uses a lot of that, so that when you put the filter can on, it stands right on that O-ring. This one,
Is that supposed to be round?
No,
No.
that's what he's saying. That's the right one.
this one takes a paper gasket. It's a flat paper gasket. It's about that wide, and it flips into that notch, and it doesn't come out. And that's what the problem is. They put the wrong junk in it, and then they Loctited it in, which is more fun yet.
Should we call down there?
So what you can do,
Should we call down to Napa? And then,
the AC part number for it is a PF132, and it'll give you both of these. Come with the filter,
let's call down there.
Down to Napa.
or actually,
Did you ever get a call back from PC Industries?
Nope.
I think he's thinking we're surfing for prices instead of parts. Oh, that's a cobweb there.
Cobwebs over mine.
Okay, there's the part number for the thing right there. And I don't know who made it, but you have to show them that thing so they can figure it out. Because those guys sell a canister to spin on adapters like that. And if you show them that, they'll figure it out. I don't know whether that one's AC, because AC is the ones that made that stuff. Detroit didn't have anything to do with it, other than they sold.
So we're at a standstill again.
No,
I mean, for
no,
that, we got to go get the parts.
no. You can stand still all you want. I get to go in there, and then we get to stand some batteries up, hook them babies up, and see if it'll turn.
What are you gonna do? Put a little surprise in my toilet
I'm gonna create something.
and get rid of it?
So here's your fuel fitting options. This one, that one, and this one goes in the back. Those are the suction side. That's what it should be. This is what you guys had lined up for it.
Okay.
But and that's what okay, back in the old days when that was new, this was normal because,
Joe, I want you to talk to these guys.
oh, come on. God.
Who is that?
Well, you're the
PCN?
pro. You're the pro.
Yeah, we have a 671 with a spin-on oil filter adapter, and we need the little rubber components to make this thing work because one of them leaks.
What's a 670? What are you talking about?
Detroit Diesel.
Okay. And what are you looking for?
It's had a spin-on oil filter adapter put on it, so it's got away from the canister filter to a spin-on filter. So it's got like a 670 oil filter on it, and the other setup was PF132. That's the AC number. And whatever this adapter is, I need that flat paper gasket that goes with that 132 oil filter. Or if you've got the kit to replace this rubber stuff in this, that would be awesome.
Well, you're completely blowing me out of the water. I even talked about it with an oil filter housing adapter, and I'm not sure how to look up gasket for 671.
Look up. Okay, stop. Look up a PF132 oil filter for Detroit, and that's an AC number. Look that up. See if you got it.
A filter?
Yeah.
Filter, but you asked about a paper gasket underneath it. Oil filter adapter, essentially.
Yeah, yeah, that's the same one. And That's it. If you don't have the stuff for the adapter, I can use the gasket out of the filter.
Gotcha.
See, that's why I wanted you to talk to him.
Sounds great.
All right, bye.
Don't throw my $1,100. Don't throw my $1,100, huh?
Actually, I didn't.
Explain to us what Mike's getting again. What you just accomplished on the phone.
So, because that takes a PF 132 oil filter, we can get the gasket out of it and put it in here and make this work. Ideally, it would be nice to get the whole kit that goes in this to reseal it. And the guy I talked to had no clue what I was talking about. None.
I know that.